head over to this URL. And if you don't want to type all of that and make some mistakes and get to the wrong place, just go to the course resources and then click on that link. It will take you to the same URL. This is Repet. It is an online coding editor just like PyCharm. What I want you to do is once you get to this URL, I want you to click on this fork button and then it will ask you to sign up to Repet. After you have created an account, then fork the project and then you can name it anything you want. I'm going to keep it the same and then click on fork REPL. What this is going to do is it will fork the same Repet that I give you here in your own account, meaning you can now edit all of this text and perform the coding exercise. So first, let's look at how to use Repet. This is the area where you're going to be coding, and when you hit this run button, it is going to run your code in here in the console. Right now, we are getting a syntax error because this is not code, so Python is giving us an error. But what I want you to do is I want you to print all of these 5 lines in the console right over here. And then after you're done, you can come back to this video and watch the solution. So pause the video right now and perform the coding exercise. I hope you have completed the exercise successfully. Now let's walk through it together. First, we are going to be printing the first line. We are going to use the print function and then we are going to use an opening parenthesis. After that, we have to use a double quote and then at the end, we have to use a closing double quote and a closing parenthesis. This will print the first line. Now we have to repeat the same process for all of these lines. After you have put each of these lines inside the print function, you can hit run, and as you can see, we have successfully printed the recipe in the console. Now I want you to keep in mind that you can also use a single quote instead of a double quote, which will just do the same thing. So as you can see here, I used a single quote, and if I run the code, it worked perfectly fine as it used to. In the next video, we are going to learn about string manipulation. So for all of that and more, I'll see you there.